We're getting ready for the Mint 400 out in Las Vegas.
And you're going to be racing your Sportster out in Las Vegas in the Mint 400.
That's right.
All right, so what are you doing here at Lifestyle Cycles today?
I came in today to put on a new Flo Oil filter. I've heard a lot of good things about these things. Apparently these things keep the oil about 5 degrees cooler than the normal oil filters. And I heard they got way better filtration, so why not put them on the bike?
So we're going to install that today here on your Sportster,
Yeah.
and throw some oil in the motor as well. So you're going to be ready to go for the Mint 400.
That's right.
All right, buddy, let's get started. All right, so Paul's doing the first step here, which is what, Paul?
We're draining the oil out of the bike.
All right, Paul, as we wait for the oil to drain out of your bike there, talk to me about your bike. What are some of these parts you got on here?
So I still got the stock mounted foot peg from the factory here, but I cut it off so that way when I go to shift, I didn't have to have like a long big linkage set up here, because I'd seen some other guys at other races, when they crash or they go down, immediately their shifter linkage gets all twisted up and it won't work.
Yeah.
So I opted just to leave the stock mount here, so I can just remove my foot from here to here, shift real quick, and then go back into this position when I'm riding.
So you have 2 sets of foot pegs.
Well, I have 1.5 sets. I only got this on one side. But in Parker, this actually worked out really well because I completely ripped this whole foot peg off. So I came riding in on this one still, so it actually came in pretty clutch.
Took a spill in Parker.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty good one.
But you still podiumed, right?
I actually took second place.
Second place.
Good. Yeah.
Oh yeah, buddy. So what else you got? Obviously, there's something to be said about what's going on with your rear suspension.
Yeah, we're running King shocks. These are 8-inch King shocks off of a UTV. I had them reworked and revalved, so they work much better for the back of this thing.
And that's all legal with the Hooligan Racing Series.
Completely legal, yeah. They're pretty wide open what you can do. So, yeah, I'm very happy with it. I'm the only person out there racing with them right now. I got another buddy that's got a pair, and he's going to start hopefully racing this season. So I'm excited to see that. Let's see on the other side here. I put a dirt bike rear master cylinder on the thing. Need to tighten that all up. It took a little beating at the last race. So I got my skateboard wheel chain tensioner here from Powell Skateboards.
And this is all stuff you do yourself.
Yeah, this is all fabrication I do myself. I did this whole exhaust in my garage, and then...
Is this the new exhaust, or is this the one that got kind of banged up?
This is the one that got banged up.
Okay.
So you see up here, it's all smashed up.
Oh,
here.
yeah.
So, and then I just noticed right here, I got a crack coming in on my back fender here I got to take care of. And then...
And today's Wednesday, and the race is...
Not this Saturday, but next Saturday.
Next Saturday, so you got like 10 days.
Yeah.
Basically. So what else is there to know?
We got a full dirt bike front end here from a 2012 Kawasaki 250. I had it all worked by Race Tech, and it's lowered down 3 inches. So that helps out a lot, keeping the bike riding a lot smoother.
But everything in here is largely just stock sports.
Full stock, yeah. I haven't done anything to the engine at all. So I'd like to get some more work done to it. But right now we're just we're trying to hit every single race we can.
All right, so you got it all set up. Now, what's the important next step before you torque it onto the bike?
Well, so if you can see right here, there's an O-ring. It's a flat O-ring on here. What you want to do is, since I put some oil in here, take some of that oil, just rub a light sheen on your O-ring, so that way when you go to take it off, it's not completely seized on there.
Got it.
That's it right there.
All right.
Wipe down any extra mess in here.
So what'd you just notice?
I just noticed that the center bolt here, it came loose when I took it apart.
So that can be fixed. And if you're installing one of these PC Racing filters at home, if that center bolt is loose,
yeah, I'm sure we could just retorque that back down.
You're gonna want to tighten that back down.
Yeah, I would say make sure to inspect it first, make sure there's no cracks or anything. But it probably just came loose, so.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna tighten that, and then we're gonna throw this PC Racing filter, the flow filter, onto your bike.
All right, so now we went ahead and torqued down this bolt here.
Yep.
And we're gonna go ahead and put the oil filter on.
So you're just gonna kind of get a couple threads in there, and then you'll torque it down.
We're gonna torque this down to 15 foot-pounds. Is that right? 15 foot-pounds? All right.
All right, let's see it. There you go.
Look at that, 1508.
Beauty.
So let's double check one more time. Sometimes you gotta let that O-ring seat. Just moving a little bit. There you go. All right. Thank you, sir.
What's next?
Let's put some oil in it.
Let's do it.
Del Rey.
Going with Bel Ray.
It's good oil. I like it.
So what have you been doing to prepare for the race?
I have been working, financially preparing for it.
Saving up money?
Yep.
Self-funded race team?
That's right, man.
Privateer life?
That's right, privateer life. No, I got, with Lifestyles and Shark Claw helping out, making things a lot easier on getting ready for the race. But all the prep starts tonight, starting right here. This is the first of the prep. I'm gonna go home, clean the whole bike up. I wanna take off this exhaust. I wanna fix up this whole bracketry. I got a whole new muffler for it and a Y pipe. So I'm gonna build a whole new one. And then I'm gonna be putting an extended swing arm on here. It's extended 4 inches. And then we're gonna be running, let's see here. Oh, I'm gonna be running a little bit bigger shocks with a triple bypass on there.
Okay, so you're swapping out these shocks for some bigger ones.
That's right.
And that's why you're extending the swing arm as well.
Yeah. So we can get a little bit more travel, hopefully make it a little bit smoother to ride.
Cool, man. Well, hopefully the Flo Oil filter helps you keep your motor, running a little bit cooler and your oil nice and clean, and so you can have a reliable bike come race day.
I hope so. I'm pretty sure it will.
Awesome, man. Well, thanks for coming by and good luck out there, buddy.
All right, man. Thank you very much.